Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this velvet baby blanket afghan, and the dimensions are 46 by 66. If you do the chain count with a K hook and chunky yarn, then you'll start out with a dimension of 46 across, and then you can keep going for your desired length. And I use 4 to 5 skeins of yarn. You can make this blanket using any type of yarn and using any hook size. It just will make it larger or smaller depending if you go up or down on the hook or the thickness or thinness of the yarn. And this is a pretty basic pattern. It is great for beginners. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 119. So 119, yarn over and pull through, and continue until you reach that total. And with this velvet yarn, it is kind of bulky, it's very soft, but you can use different types of yarn and still do this pattern. I recommend bulky or medium worsted. Okay, now in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. Then you're going to skip the next chain, and then you're going to work a double crochet. And then chain 1 and work another double crochet in that same stitch, and that's going to create a V-stitch. Then you're going to skip a chain. It's going to look like this. You're going to skip a chain and work a double crochet into the next 2 chains. And then you're going to skip another chain, and then you're going to repeat. You're going to work a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then you're going to just repeat until you get to the end. So you're going to skip and work a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So that is the pattern. A double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then skip a chain, and then work a V-stitch. It's going to look like this, and then you're going to skip and create your V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then skip and then work a double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and just repeat that until you get to the end. You're at the end here, and you're going to skip a chain and then work 2 double crochet in the last 2 stitches. And then you're going to chain 3 and turn, and then you're going to work, that one counts as a double crochet. Then you're going to work a double crochet into the next double crochet. This is the row that you will repeat from now on. So in that V-stitch, work another V-stitch, a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then in the next double crochet, this one right here, you're going to work a double crochet. And then in the next double crochet, you'll work a double crochet on top. And then in that V-stitch, you're going to work a V-stitch. So you're going to work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and just repeat that all the way until you get to the end. So a double crochet and another double crochet, and make sure it's right on top of the double crochet and not on the double crochet of the V-stitch. Now you're going to work your V-stitch again, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, you're at the end here, you have a V-stitch, and then you have 2 double crochet left. So work, so not that double crochet, the one next to it is your double crochet, and then that last stitch is your double crochet. You're going to work another one, and then you're going to chain 3 and turn, and then you're just repeating the row 2 again. You can repeat that up to 65 inches or however long you would like it. It's just all depending on how big you would like this. You can always make it bigger. So then work your double crochet and then work your V-stitch inside the V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then work your double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So not that one, but this one here next to your V-stitch. You're going to work a double crochet. Try not to work your double crochet into the double crochet V-stitch double crochet, because then it will be a little messed up. So go right into that V-stitch, work your V-stitch. This is how you work this blanket. Just keep repeating row 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.